Good afternoon, traders. This is Tony D with an instant response to what is happening in the euro dollar here in Asian session. Usually don't get big moves in Asia. We just had news out though from the EU summit. They've made an agreement. Very surprising. There was a lot of inclination beforehand, a lot of commentary from the leaders. They won't be able to make a deal at this summit, and they just made a deal, all 28 members. And what we're looking at here is basically the reintegration of Italy into the pact. Looks like there's been more money chucked at Italy and Greece in regards to the immigration situation, and also a lot more money, and then also the agreement to spread immigrants around Europe as well, ease the burden. Really, it's a great day though for EU, and potentially is a sign there that they are coming together on some of the bigger financial reforms as well. So, migration is a stumbling block. They've got past that. It's really good news for the outlook for medium-term Eurozone policies. And perhaps even a little bit of sympathy support here for the pound. If they can make a deal on this, they can make a deal on Brexit too. And that's also the next big topic on the agenda. Brexit is being discussed at this EU summit, and the June summit has been talked about all year as a key timeline for the Brexit negotiation. So we'll see how any headlines come out regarding Brexit tomorrow. Probably done for today over there. That's a very late now in the Europe time zone. So this deal, it must have been hacked out late into the night. But very positive reaction so far on the Euro front, and could be the leading story throughout the day on Friday so far. And so we have gone, there's still issues regarding, there's still issues at the moment regarding what's going on in between US and China. Yuan still devaluing. You're seeing US Chinese stocks still under pressure. You're seeing the dollar still being strong on dips here. But in the short term anyway, we do have this relief rally, and it's a strong enough spark that could cause quite a big movement for today as well. And in terms of where it's coming at with the dollar index at 95. So if this market was to sell a little bit further here, you could have some inclination that the dollar index is going to fall. Some of the pressure on some of the other pairs as well could be lifted. But for the time being, pairs like the Aussie, which are a bit more closely related to what's going on with the trade wars, likely to get sold on rallies. Bit of focus here on the 74 level. If we get above that, then short-term pressure might be off just for today anyway. Other than that, keep an eye on the news over the weekend. There will be a lot of headlines regarding Chinese and US trade wars over the weekend, and there has been a lot of commentary from the US side trying to calm things down, as US stocks have been a bit under pressure all week. But this is a good starting point. They're rallying in sympathy with the DAX here on the EU summit agreement. But the biggest story in the background is going to be whether these trade tariffs can get sorted out without being implemented. Alright guys, if you want to have questions on what's going on in the market, give us a call on the numbers below. If you're not a member of the easyMarkets dealing room, sign up and get a dealer like myself to assist you with trading some of this volatility.